In a world racing toward tomorrow, where silence hums with circuits and glass glows with thought, a new kind of creation is unfolding. It doesn't roar from factories or laboratories. It whispers from the gadgets we hold in our hands. Each one a spark, small, bright, revolutionary. An invitation to explore, to play, to imagine. Tonight, we journey through 17 ideas that are reshaping what it means to live, to create, and to dream. In the age of innovation. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru. The Daylight DC1. The paper that thinks. At first glance, it looks like a tablet, but look closer, and you realize this is no ordinary screen. The 10.5-inch live paper display mimics the texture and responsiveness of paper while flowing at 60 frames per second. Black and white, yet alive. Readable under the harshest sunlight, gentle on the eyes at night with its amber backlight. It's powered by Android 13 with 128 GB storage and 8 GB RAM. A companion for writers, artists, and thinkers, where every stroke on the stylus feels like writing on air. Relo MP3 Earbuds, freedom in sound. The MP3 player was thought extinct. Relo proves that music can still live beyond the cloud. 1,000 tracks, instantly accessible, immune to network interruptions. 40 hours of uninterrupted play, intuitive touchscreen controls, and a gaming mode with almost zero latency. These earbuds remind us, sometimes freedom is a melody, not a subscription. Polyglot pods, the world in your ears. Translation in real time, anywhere, offline or online. 10 offline languages, 44 online, with multiple translation modes tailored for every situation. Travelers, diplomats, and adventurers can now hear the world as it truly speaks. Communication has never been this seamless, this immediate, this intimate. Snap Wallet, the minimalist transformer. A wallet that's not just a wallet. Snaps onto the back of your phone, fits up to 4 cards, unfolds into a phone stand, transforms into a selfie stick, or even a car mount. Every surface becomes functional thanks to a sticky pad that cleans easily underwater. A minimalist's dream. Small, versatile, elegant. It proves that simplicity can be revolutionary. Mirum Lens, the human eye of video calls. Digital. Meetings often feel disconnected. Mirum restores presence. Mounted on any monitor, it aligns your gaze with the camera, creating eye contact that feels genuine. No software, no setup, just connection. Conversations feel alive again, and distance collapses into engagement. Cybercube Charger. Energy reinvented. A metallic cube that could be mistaken for a piece of futuristic art. Magnetic panels rotate to reveal hidden chargers for iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. A 15W wireless charger sits elegantly on the top, while subtle LED indicators hint at power flowing quietly inside. This is technology that doesn't just serve, it enchants. Tiny Maker, the pocket-sized factory. A resin 3D printer no larger than a coffee mug. Open source, versatile, ready to bring tiny designs to life in minutes. From figurines to prototype parts, it's the perfect companion for tinkerers and dreamers alike. Even in the palm of your hand, imagination can become reality. ESR Dual Case, the armor of creativity. A dual-layer iPad case that protects and elevates. Soft core protection cushions every corner, while the heavier folio doubles as a stand. Built-in magnets align the screen for natural eyeline viewing. A pouch holds your Apple Pencil securely. Every detail designed for comfort, function, and creativity. Macro Vision Kit, the world. Beneath a lens. Turn your phone into a microscope, unlocking details invisible to the naked eye. Choose 100x, 150x, or 200x magnification with adjustable lighting in warm or natural tones that highlights every contour. Reveal a hidden universe. The intricate veins of a leaf, the crystalline edges of salt, the delicate structure of an insect's wings, or the microtextures of everyday objects you've never noticed. Every observation feels like a journey into a miniature cosmos, where science becomes not just accessible, but cinematic, mesmerizing, and endlessly fascinating. Lark Bottle, purity in light water, purified with the touch of light. Its UVC-powered cap eradicates 99.9% of bacteria and viruses in under a minute, transforming ordinary tap water into pristine hydration. A two-stage filtration system removes heavy metals, chlorine, and lingering contaminants, ensuring every sip is clean, crisp, and safe. Beyond purification, the bottle tracks your daily water intake through an app, reminding you to stay hydrated and maintain healthy habits. Sleek, reusable, and self-sufficient, it's a perfect fusion of sustainability, science, and design. A reminder that technology can care for life itself wherever your journey takes you. Ferroflow. Speaker. The dance of sound. Liquid metal dances to the rhythm of your favorite tracks. 5 watts of output, 8 hours of playtime, and mesmerizing ferrofluid movement. A symphony of physics and art, where music becomes visible, almost tangible. Pulse speed. Speaker, power meets precision. A counterpart to the liquid. Speaker, boasting 20 watts of crystal clear sound. Ambient lighting adds atmosphere, and dual mics ensure you are heard anywhere. A perfect balance of aesthetics, practicality, and sonic performance. Touchdock keyboard, control at your fingertips. A mechanical keyboard with a 4.33-inch touchscreen and 15 customizable buttons. One tap launches apps, controls streams, or even executes complex workflows. Mechanical keys meet digital precision, creating a bridge between touch and control. Brewbot, the beer pong machine. A robot built for fun, with 6 omnidirectional cup holders. Glides, rotates, and delivers shots with precision. Engineered to stay on track while challenging players, redefining competitive table games for the future. Sleep tone machine, sound that soothes. 20 ambient sounds including white, pink, and brown noise. Masks background sounds, helping users drift off into calm sleep. A built-in timer shuts it off automatically, and it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. Technology that doesn't just entertain, it nurtures rest. Cooler Master Hub, the modular brain of work. A magnetic baseboard with snap-on modules, touchscreens, knobs, dials, and customizable panels. For streamers, editors, and digital creators, configure the hub for any workflow. Software syncs every module seamlessly. A cockpit for modern creativity. P1 Electric Pod, the vehicle of the future. A compact electric vehicle capable of 55 mm, turbo boost, swappable batteries, whisper quiet acceleration, wireless CarPlay, built-in speaker, remote app control, and modular add-ons. A glimpse of what urban mobility will feel like in the years to come. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru.